This video will show the assembly process for your Champion 22-inch rear tine tiller. Follow along in your operator's manual. Set the shipping crate on a solid flat surface, remove the top and sides of the crate, and locate all parts and hardware before beginning assembly. Step 1. Attach the lower handle. Remove the nuts and bolts already on the lower frame. Then align the bottom of the handle with the lower holes. Insert the bolts from the inside of the frame and hand tighten the nuts. Then align the slot with the middle hole on the frame. Insert the bolts from the inside and tighten all 4 nuts with a 14 and 15 millimeter wrench. Step 2. Install the wheels. Remove the locking pins from the axles. Then slide the first wheel onto the axle, with the tread pointing towards the front of the unit, and align the holes to secure with the locking pin. Then repeat these steps for the second wheel. Step 3. Install the tines. Remove the pins and B-pins from the tine assemblies. Then match the left or right sticker on the tine with the sticker on the frame. Once you're sure the tines are installed on the correct sides, install the pin and B-pin on both sides. Take a look at your tine blade. The sharp cutting edge should be facing the direction of the tine rotation. Step 4. Install the tine shield. Remove the 4 nuts and washers on the brackets above the transmission housing and tines. Place the shield on the brackets and fit the bolts through the holes in the shield. Then replace the washers and nuts and tighten with a 13 millimeter wrench. Step 5. Install the depth regulator. Remove the pin and R-pin from the bracket in the middle of the tine shield. Insert the depth regulator and replace the pin and R-pin. Step 6. Attach the upper handle. Slide the upper handle over the lower handle and align the holes. Then insert the curved head bolts from the outside and fasten securely with the curved washers and knobs. Add engine oil. With the unit on level ground, use the funnel to add the provided engine oil to the engine. Add gasoline. With the unit outdoors, follow the steps in your operator's manual to add the appropriate amount of fresh, regular, unleaded gasoline to the tank. To adjust the handle height, remove the top bolts and nuts from the lower handle. Raise or lower the handle to a comfortable height and replace and tighten the hardware. The wheels can be positioned in either freewheel or wheel drive mode by placing the locking pin through the wheel and axle or just the axle. Use freewheel mode when the engine is off, and use the wheel drive mode when you want to use the tiller. In wheel drive mode, the wheels are locked to the axle and will only rotate when the forward or reverse levers are engaged. Remove the pin and R-pin from the bracket to adjust the height of the depth regulator, and replace the pin and R-pin. To start the engine, make sure the tiller is on a flat surface. Set both wheels into the wheel drive position, and move the depth regulator to the lowest position. Move the drive lever to the slow position, the choke lever to the choke position, and the fuel valve to the open position. Pull the recoil handle slowly until resistance is felt, and then pull rapidly. And as the engine warms up, move the choke lever to the run position. To operate the forward drive lever, depress and hold the right lever down to start the wheels going forward and the tines rotating in reverse direction. To operate the reverse drive lever, depress and hold the left lever down to start the wheels going in reverse. Releasing the lever will stop the movement and rotation of the tines. To stop the engine at any time, press the engine switch to the off position. Your tiller assembly is complete. Always inspect your tiller before each operation and before and after storage, and follow all safety guidelines in your operator's manual.